This is the tale of Alex and Emily, an enduring testament to love's unwavering strength in the face of adversity. Alex, a young man full of charm and ambition, first beholds Emily, a woman of spirit and compassion, at a local charity event. Their initial exchange is fleeting but ignites a spark that kindles into a compelling connection. Destiny conspires to bring Alex and Emily together time and again, their undeniable chemistry and shared interests drawing them closer. As they delve into each other's souls, a profound bond takes root and flourishes. Yet their journey is not without its trials. The demands of Alex's career and Emily's familial obligations strain their relationship, giving rise to doubts and misunderstandings. Their love, it seems, teeters on the brink of collapse. Life's tumult sweeps Alex to a far-off land, distancing him from Emily and the love they've nurtured. The agony of separation weighs heavily on them, yet they cling to their commitment, fueled by the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Time ebbs away, but their love remains steadfast. The day arrives when Alex finally returns home, his heart brimming with anticipation. Their reunion is a poignant moment of joy and relief, a testament to love's resilience against the sands of time. With a renewed resolve, Alex decides it's time to advance their journey. Under a starlit sky, he pours out his heart to Emily, asking her to be his life partner. Overwhelmed with emotion, she accepts, solidifying their promise of forever. Their wedding day heralds a celebration of love, hope, and new beginnings. As they exchange vows of eternal devotion amidst loved ones, they pledge to support and cherish one another through life's highs and lows. As they sway under the moonlight, they understand their journey is just beginning, and together, they are invincible. And thus, the circle of Alex and Emily's love story closes. A powerful demonstration of perseverance, faith, and unyielding love. Each hurdle they've overcome has only fortified their bond and intertwined their hearts forever. As they stride into the sunset hand in hand, they are certain their love will thrive for all eternity, a beacon of hope and inspiration for all who dare to love.